Open Media.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 14, 15, 16. Sserumu Sulaiman polled 17 votes, and Nanda Micheal polled 16 votes. Therefore, by the powers bestowed upon me under Section 11 of the Local Governments Act, I, as the Chief Magistrate and Presiding Officer of this election, do declare the winner of the speakership race as Sserumu Sulaiman. Honorable Chibuka, may you please come? And again, by the powers bestowed upon me, I shall make your speaker to wear the regalia that of Kayunga District Local Government. And then, him having been one of your councillors, he is going to take the oath of speakership, upon which I shall bestow upon him this regalia that is supposed to sit on his head as and when he desires while chairing this council. I, your name?
I, Sserumu Sulaiman,
swear in the name of the Almighty Allah,
swear in the name of Almighty Allah,
that I will at all times, well and truly, serve the district of Kayunga, in the office of the speaker, and that I will support, and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, as by law established. So help me Allah. By powers vested in me, I hereby present you your newly appointed speaker from 2026 up to 2031. Congratulations. And now that I've exercised my duty as the Chief Magistrate, I hereby hand over counsel to the Speaker to proceed with voting of the Deputy Speaker, or as the Council determines.